Heading to the laundromat. Let's see. That's what it looks like. Kind of not gloomy, but whatever. It's all right. And that's where I came from. Laundromat is just about a minute away. It's not very far, or even less than a minute. We're playing Battles of the Umbrellas here. And here's the laundromat. We'll have to wait and see. Is that?
205.
205, oh my god! So I came by to buy some fruits. And because it's raining, this fruit store is closed. Well, I think you call it the store. Going into one of these alleys, let's see what it looks like. I have no idea. Yep, a lot of activities. Take a look. Vape store. This is a little store. I think he's open or maybe closed. I don't know. So when it's wet, it's not busy. Workers enjoying their lunch. I think it's around lunchtime now. Some having a smoke break. Ooh, smoke, smoke, smoke. Not a sorry store. Don't know what you call it. They got some nice stuff in there. Oh, I'm still walking and I'm enjoying it. Construction going on. This is the back of a condo building. It's a shortcut to the main road. Trucks and bikes tend to use it too, which I guess they shouldn't be, but it's the Philippines. Okay, what's that? That's like a catch basin or something? Maybe they are working in this building. This building is not in use. I'm negotiating my way around here. Just past some workers having lunch again. Can hear them chatting at the back there. That was having fun. Conversations. And they always seem happy. Candies, sweets, food. Still in the back. Oh, sorry store this way. I'm not going there. The guys enjoying themselves. More sorry stores. So is this where the water comes from? This doesn't look like a plant. I don't trust this water though. I'm buying it now because it's convenient. It's Andres, or it's a refilling station. Yeah. And here you get your little knickknacks. There's a project. I'm not gonna say anything about projects or government or anything like that, nature. Just showing you whether it's completed or not, who knows. I want to see what these guys are looking at. Okay, it's a little water flow going on here. Goes all the way down that way. Lots of stores here. Well, when I say lots, I mean some stores, and they're very tiny stores. I have to watch where I'm walking because this place is very uneven and has danger spots. I can hurt myself. And it's still raining. Where some of the meters are above ground and easy to spot. Puddles. This is in Mandaue. Mandaue, or spelled Mandaue, I believe. Mandaue or Mandaue. Sometimes I can't pronounce the names the way they pronounce it here. They add an H sometimes. Like I would say Siragao, they would say Shirigao or something like that. I never can get it right. I keep apologizing for screwing up the names or the pronunciations. Just giving you a look at the street, what it's like. I can see the main road out there. And this look, I was gonna say it looks nice and cozy and newish, but it's not. Sometimes when I'm passing someone with an umbrella, I have to play dodge the umbrella. And here they have food. And a truck that doesn't move. Yippee-ki-yay. And more stuff. Looks like a woodworking place, furniture or something. There's a big or large availability of sweets here. Food can either be too sweet or too salt. But tastes good. It's just that I rather cook at home and enjoy a good meal. I mean, a meal that I feel very comfortable with, in that it's neither sweet nor salty, and I know what I'm putting in it, and it's healthy. Well, I did walk around the back. Now I'm gonna head to the main road, which is here, and connect with the other main road to head back home. I don't trust walking on the roads where there are a lot of cars or trucks or bikes, SUVs, and etc., jeepneys and all that. It's scary. Well, I'm scared, and justly so, because I've seen a lot of close miss. Or why did I come this way? Oh no. Yeah, being here on this road right now where I am, it's not safe. That bike wanted to overtake that truck, but because I'm here, he decided not to. Negotiate this here. Let's see what happens. So far, so good. Back on the drawing board again. There we go. Oh, dodge the umbrella. This is fun. Until I fall in a hole or something, I gotta keep my eye on the ground. Film, but don't look at what I'm filming at. Just look where I'm walking. Trust me, it's dangerous. I almost fell in holes several times. I know God is with me, because I should have been hurt many times. Broken legs, damaged ankle. So this is going to J Mall. That way I went there the other day, and I posted that on my YouTube channel. There is a Metro Market. I can buy some stuff. Nah, I don't want to fetch anything. This guy seems to be wanting to back out, scaring the heck out of me. Yep, reverse light is on. I never walk behind a car or truck with a reverse light on, but I just did. Okay, where is this road? Oh yeah, this will take me back to where I'm staying. And the restaurant. Well, the traffic is pretty good right now because it's raining, and the drivers, of course, going slower, and not as many drivers on the road right now. This is Harley Davidson, guys. Woo! Yeah, not gonna ride in this city at all. And over here you have BY something. I don't know what that is. They're selling vehicles there. Maybe a Korean name, I think. I don't know. Well, it's not that I'm stupid. It's just didn't want to know. It wouldn't do me any good, except when I'm doing a video and trying to figure out what it is. Is this what you call vlogging? Or do I have to put the camera like this and try and show what's... Oh! See, I'm not watching where I'm walking. I better watch where I'm... Very uneven. This is a sidewalk. You don't want to walk over there. Here is the best place. But sometimes it narrows to the point that bank there. It narrows to the point that you can't fit on the sidewalk. People getting their lunch. And it's mainly rice and all that. Yeah. Must have rice. Well, I had rice, fried rice this morning. I made that this morning before I did my laundry and put my bed in, my sheet covering, my towels, my underwear, my pants, my t-shirt, towels, etc., etc. And ooh, look at that! Nobody pulls to the right. Nobody pulls to the right. Look at that. Nobody pulls to the right. Somebody in the ambulance over here in dead of traffic. You just pray that they survive the journey, which takes a long, long time. Many people, I've heard, didn't make it because of the traffic. People don't pull to the right. Famous Makita. Well, see, there you go. I know something. Get your power tools and this and that in there. And over there have MG. Okay. Seriously thought that was Midas. It's not. It's Marquis. My keys. Oh, it looks like I have stuff that I like. I can risk crossing the street to find out what's there. Let's see. I'm gonna attempt this here. Let's see if I can go across and across. Woo! Yep. Need walking insurance in this place here. Ice cream, yeah. I like this. Of course you have all the sweets in there, right? Why do you look so puzzled? I just want to place an order. A very small order. Tell me when you're ready, okay? Whoops. Can I tell you? I need like 4 of these. 4 of those. What's in this one here? That's onion too? Oh no, just 4 of those there. So you make them, huh? You cook them? This is nice? Yeah, can I have 4 of these too? She recommends it too. Oh, and what's this one at the bottom? $60. Well, what kind of bread is that? Banana, how much is that? What? 12? Give me 4. Yeah, give me 4 slices. 4 slices. Do you guys make this here or you bring it in? Bring it in? So all this banana bread and all this nice stuff I bought, a bunch of it, it's works out to 108. I forgot my umbrella. There we go, got it. Now to negotiate crossing this place here. Here's a crosswalk, but nobody pays attention to this. Nobody. I can stand here all day and nobody will stop. Unless I venture out. See, look, he's not stopping. And over here, nobody's stopping. It's a crosswalk. The traffic, most of the traffic laws are really not enforced. So it calls for chaos and accidents and so forth. I'll be filming like this, but it's going to be kind of jerky. I'm not walking in the middle of the road, guys. I'm in the corner. I'm watching out for these guys. If I go on this, I can slip sideways. Look, this here it's curved. You gotta be way up here. Okay, watch out. Danger, danger. That's Jollibee's over there. Well, I can't go in the corner, there's mud. I'm going around here. It could very well cost me my life. But I'm a brave guy. A little bit stupid, but brave. Catching my baggage like this so that I can film. Somebody give this guy a pass. There we go. Well, it's what you call organized chaos. People will, to get a pass, inch forward and show that their bull horns are longer and bigger. The other person stops. Then when they reach the other side, they got to do the same thing. And then they get a pass. If not, no pass. These guys are enjoying their swimming pool. How is the swimming pool?
My friend,
Yeah. Time to negotiate here again, keeping an eye on where I'm walking. Whoa, 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 whoa. Madness raises its head. Ooh, this is fun. I think it's good for drainage, but not walking on. Starbucks. For all the people who think they're getting great coffee. Oops, the bag is ripping. I always wonder what's in that pawn shop. Okay, danger, 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 danger. Well, I better shut this off. This is where I started. Signing off. How you doing, bro? You were sleeping when I came by, and I didn't want to disturb you, so I went and bought some sweets. Didn't sign off. You know, it's raining. It's a bit cooler, but yet I'm sweating. My perspiration is going into my eyes. Anyhow, chat later.